South American countries, alphabetical. South American countries, the capital as you see, mostly in the southern hemisphere. We'll learn on our journey. My name's Argentina, touching South Atlantic Ocean, Buenos Aires capital. This song is motion. I am Bolivia. Thailand, that country's super is my only capital. Can you see? The name is Brazil, the largest country in South America. Another capital, and its name's Brasilia. Chile is right on the South Pacific Ocean. Santiago is my capital. Come join our commotion. South American country is what we're about to tell. In alphabetical order, our number is 12. South American countries, the capital as you see, mostly in the southern hemisphere. Children on our journey, and Colombia. South America's northern tip, Bogota's my capital, touching the Caribbean, North Pacific, Ecuador, a northwestern country. Puerto is my capital, and on the way to Lucy, Manila. Afonso, ang ganda talaga ito. Georgetown is my capital. If you visit a river coast, Paraguay is my name. And then the country as well. My capital, Asunción, is a focus to the world. South American country is what we're about to tell. In alphabetical order, our number ranging multiple. South American countries, the capital as you see, mostly in the southern hemisphere. You learn on our journey. My name is Peru. On the west coast of Lima is my capital. On the Pacific coast, that is true. Suriname is my name. Bordering the French Guiana region. Miami is my capital. In South America's northern third, I'm Uruguay, right there in Brazil, and have a capital. There is one to go. What is the accounting in South America's north? Calabasas is my capital. We belong all belong in the earth. South American country is what we're about to tell. In alphabetical order, our number really multiple. South American countries, the capital as you will see, mostly in the southern